Welcome. Today we'll be learning about verbs in Vemba translated to English. Ukufikilisha, to fulfill. Ukubelenga, to read. Ukulemba, to write. Ukusumina, to believe. Ukopana, marry. Ukuingila, to intrude. So for marry, upa is masculine and upwa is feminine. So for example, he was pleased at the prospect of marrying Ruth. And he in this case is referring to Boaz. So Boasi alitemenwe kuti aline shuko lia kuparuti. Boasi alitemenwe kuti aline shuko lia kuparuti. So upa in this case is masculine, and then upwa is feminine. Catherine got married in 1961. Catherine aopuile mu 1961. So for intrude, ukuingila, we have an example. Enter someone's house. Ukuingila munganda yabeni.